Students, today I will explain you exercise 7.3 question number 3. Exercise 7.3 question number 3. Find the area of the triangle found by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1, 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Okay. Means whatever the new area is found and the before that whatever figure. So first we will make the figure, then it will be more clear. Question number 3. This is the suppose triangle. Okay. This is the triangle A, B and C. Their coordinates are given. Their coordinates are there 0, -1 and 2, 1 and 0, 3. 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Okay, these three coordinates are given. Now saying it's the midpoint. So midpoint how we are getting? Suppose this is the point P, then this is the point Q and this is the point R. Midpoint are AB, BC and CA are PQR respectively. Let midpoints of AB, BC and CA are PQR respectively. Okay, that I have written. Now we have to find the coordinates of the P by using midpoint formula. By using midpoint formula, x equal to what? x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y equals y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore, P coordinates will be there. For the P, that will be 0 plus 2 upon 2 and the -1 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. That will be P. So this can be written 0 plus 2, 2 by 2 means what? 1. So that will be equal to P and the point will be 1 and this will be 0, 1 and 0. Because 2 by 2 will what? 1, -1 plus 1, 0, 0 by 2 will 0. Now the Q will be there 2 plus 0 upon 2 and the 1 plus 3 upon 2. So that will be 2 by 2 will what? 1 and that 4 by 2 will what? 1 plus 3, 4, 1, 2. The Q point has come 1, 2. Now the R, point R. The point R will be 0 plus 0 upon 2, -1 plus 3 upon 2. Then this will be R 0 and the -1 plus 3 is 2. 2 by 2 will be 1. R will be 0. So we have got the PQR coordinates. P is what? 1, 0. Now and the Q is what? 1, 2 and the R is 0, 1. Okay. These are the midpoints of the ABC wave. Now these midpoints are forming a triangle. If you join them, that is forming a triangle. The question is saying whatever the area we are getting from the PQR, that area ratio have to find with the triangle ABC. Okay, that is the question. So first, now we will use the area of the triangle formula. By using the area of the triangle formula, by using area of triangle formula 1/2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 plus x3 y1 minus y2, x1 y2 minus y3, x2 y3 minus y1 and x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of the triangle. So first we'll find out with this formula area of the triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Area of the triangle ABC 1/2 x1 is what? That is the 0, and y2 minus y3, y2 is what? That is the 1, and 3 is what? y3. So 1 minus 3 plus x2 is what? That is the 2, and y3 is what? That is the 3, and y1 is what? minus 1. So 3 minus 1, that will be what? Plus 1. This will be minus 1 plus 1 plus x3 means 0, and y1 minus y2. So y1 is what? Minus 1, and y2 is what? That is the 1. Minus 1 and minus 1. Okay. Now see that, students, that will be 1/2, and this will be 0 complete section, because 0 multiplied by 1 minus 3 got 0, and that will be 2 into 4 plus 0. This will be also 0. So that will be 1/2 into 8. That will be 4 square unit. We are getting the area of the triangle ABC 4 square unit. Now the area of the triangle PQR. Same formula we will use 1/2 x1. What is the x1 there? 1. x1 y2 minus y3. So y2 is what there? 2, and y3 is 1 plus x2 1, y3 is what? 1, and y1 is 0. 1 minus 0 plus x3 is what? 0, and that is x3 y1 minus y2. y1 is 0 and y2 is 2. So there it will be 1/2 into 1, and 2 minus 1 will be what? 1, and this will be 1. That will be 1 minus 0 will be 1 plus 0, because 0 into 0 minus 2 will be what? 0. There it is coming 1/2 into 2. 1 plus 1 will be what? 2. So that will be 1 square unit. There, students, you have seen the area of triangle ABC equal to what? 4 square unit, and area of the triangle PQR equal to 1 square unit, by using the formula, area of the triangle formula, that is x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y. So now what will be answer? The ratio of area PQR and area of ABC. Area of ABC is what? PQR is what? 1 square unit, and that is the 1/4. This is your answer. Because area of the PQR, a ratio of area PQR and area ABC will be what? That will be 1/4. Okay. Ratio of area ABC and area ABC will be what? 1/4. PQR is the new triangle it is formed. In this way it will be solved. check it properly, all the steps. Okay students, thank you.